Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I share with you how I make this delicious vegetable sauce. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I'll be using beef. You can use any protein of your choice. Bell peppers, fresh tomatoes, onions, garlic. I'll be using the seasonings here. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. To the beef, I will season with pepper, onions, rosemary, garlic and ginger paste, thyme, curry powder, salt, season powder. I'll stir to combine everything together. I'll be leaving the meat to marinate overnight. You can start cooking it right away. It's totally up to you. I'll put it in the refrigerator and bring it out when I'm ready to use it. The meat is out of the refrigerator. I'll add some water, cover and cook it until the meat is tender. For vegetables, I'm using kale. You can use fruited pumpkin leaves or any vegetable of your choice for this recipe. The first thing I do is to plug the vegetables. I'll repeat this process until I am done. Next, I'll add salt inside water and stir. Then add the vegetables. I'll wash them until they are clean. It's best to wash vegetables before slicing them to avoid losing some of the nutrients when washing the vegetables. The vegetables are clean. I wash them several times. I will slice them into smaller sizes. You can slice them into any size of your choice. That is done. I'll put that aside. I will slice the tomatoes, peppers, onions. They can also be blended as well. I'll take out the seed and the vein from the bell peppers and slice it. I have everything nicely sliced. And I'll check on the meat. The meat is be cooking out for about 30 minutes. Once the fork can come out easily, that means the meat is done. I'll remove the meat from the stove. And I have hot oil already. I'll add rosemary to flavor the oil. Add the beef in there, fry it until it is nicely fried. You can also use onions to flavor the oil. So from time to time, I'll give it a quick stir so it doesn't get burnt. Once they are nicely fried, I'll take them out of the hot oil. In a pot, I'll add some of the oil I use in frying the meat. Once the oil is hot, I'll add sliced onions. I'll fry the onions for about a minute or two. I'll add chopped garlic. Give it a quick stir. Add the sliced tomatoes. I'll fry the tomatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's well fried before adding any other thing. 15 minutes later, the tomatoes is well fried. I'll add seasoned powder, shrimp powder, salt, and stir. I'll add the fried meat. I'll allow the meat to cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes so that the sauce can enter the meat. I'll add the sliced peppers, more onions, and then stir everything together. Add the vegetables and stir. Once the vegetables are in there, I will turn off the heat. The residual heat will cook the vegetables. I want the vegetables to retain its beautiful green color and stay crunching as well. Once that is well stirred together, I'll add the rest of the vegetables. Then stir them together. You can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. The vegetable sauce looks amazing, it smells amazing, and it tasted so delicious. This vegetable sauce can be enjoyed with boiled yams, boiled plantains, boiled rice. We are going to be having it with rice. In a pot, I have some water boiling. To that, I'll add salt and tablespoon of oil. I'll add the washed rice and then give it a quick stir. I'll be cooking the rice on a medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is ready. 20 minutes later, the rice is well cooked. I'll add some diced onions and then flop the rice together. So the rice I use does sticks together. That's why I added a little bit of oil to prevent the rice from sticking together. And I'll remove the rice from the heat. Food is ready. The vegetable sauce was so delicious. It remained green and stayed crunching even for days. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.